So 24 hours after the revelation of the data, we know who donated, we know which parties got how much, we don't know which donor donated how much to which party. Now, on the evening of March 14th, the Election Commission, as per the Supreme Court directions, published the electoral bond data supplied by the State Bank of India with one key ingredient missing. The data supplied was in two parts: which party secured how much and which donors donated how much, but it had a missing link. SBI has not shared the unique serial numbers of individual bonds. Now, why is this serial number important? To answer that, we have to travel back in time to 2018. SBI at the time had written to the Finance Ministry asking for each bond to be given a unique alphanumeric number. The SBI had said that this will establish an audit trail. The bank also said that in case of law enforcement agencies seeking such information, such a serial number will help to source the information. Now, interestingly, Finance Ministry at that point had agreed towards assigning such a unique serial number to each bond. That is what has been cited by the petitioners before the Supreme Court. They argued that having two separate lists of donors and parties is meaningless without knowing who donated to which party. Now, they claimed that the serial number will help answer these questions. One, who bought the bonds? Number two, how much was being donated? And number three, which party received it? This rationale was echoed by the Supreme Court as well. The Chief Justice of India flagged how SBI had failed to share the serial numbers. The CJI observed that the court had asked the SBI to share all details, full disclosure. Let's also keep in mind that in the previous order of March 11th, the Supreme Court had warned the SBI against non-compliance. The Supreme Court order read in I quote, "We will be inclined to proceed against it, SBI, for willful disobedience of the judgment if SBI does not comply with the directions of this court." The Supreme Court has now issued a notice to the SBI. The bank must respond on why it did not reveal the serial number of each bond. SBI will have time only till the weekend to respond. The Supreme Court will resume hearing in this case on Monday. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has also directed the Election Commission to publish data from political parties on contributions from individual donors. This information is expected to be published on Sunday. Both the SBI and the Election Commission clearly have a busy weekend ahead.